Hello students. Hello students, I Pallav Darbari welcome you all in my YouTube channel Pallav Darbari Classes. In this video we will discuss Macroeconomics class 12th. The name of the chapter is National Income Accounting. This is my video on the National Income Accounting. In this video I will focus more on the numerical portion. Here we will learn how we can convert one related aggregates of national income to another related aggregates of national income. The weightage of this topic is 1 marks till 3 marks. 1 marks question can be framed or the 3 marks can be framed from this particular topic. Without wasting the time period, let us start the topic. Let us start the topic. In this particular topic, we will learn how we can solve the numerical. For the easy understanding, for the easy solution, we have developed one concept and the name of the concept is Germany ने नहीं दी मुझे Ferrari concept. Clear? Here G means gross, N means net, N means national, D means domestic, M means market price, and F means factor cost. Dear viewers, if we have to convert G into N, then what we have to do? We have to deduct depreciation. And if we have to convert N to G, then what we have to do? We have to add depreciation. That is the first block. Under the first block, we consider the depreciation. Let us see the second block, N and D. Here N means national and D means domestic. If we have to convert domestic into national, then what we have to do? We have to add net factor income from abroad. What is this net factor income from abroad? Net factor income from abroad means FIFA minus FITA. The question is, what is FIFA? FIFA means factor income from abroad. It means whatever the salary, wages or the money the Indian is earning while doing job in abroad, that is called FIFA. And when I say FITA, it means salary, wages, monetary concessions or compensation which the foreigners are earning by giving the services in India, that is called FITA. Here we have to consider the net factor income from abroad. It means the difference between FIFA and FITA. In the previous video, I have already explained these two topics in detail. You can go through those videos. If we have to convert D into N, then what we have to do? We have to add NFIA. And if we have to convert N into D, it means from national to domestic, what we have to do? We have to deduct net factor income from abroad. The third block is of M and F. Here M means what? It means market price. And here F means factor cost. If we have to convert market price into factor cost, then what we have to do? We have to deduct net indirect taxes. Here net indirect taxes means what? It means indirect taxes minus subsidies. What is indirect taxes? It means service tax, sale tax, all the indirect taxes which the producers are paying. That is called indirect taxes. And subsidies means what? It means the financial help which the government is giving to the producers. That is called subsidies. Here we consider the net indirect taxes. It means actually what is the amount the producers has paid out of their own pocket. That is called net indirect taxes. So when we convert M to F, what we have to do? We have to deduct net indirect taxes. When we have to convert F to M, what we do? We have to add net indirect taxes. This concept we will discuss in detail in this particular video. Now try to understand this concept through the numerical. Here the numerical is, this is the numerical. What we have to do under it? Let us see. Here we have to convert, we have to calculate GNP FC, gross national product at factor cost. Let us see the aggregate which is being given to us. This is the aggregate which is being given to us, that is NDP at market price. As I told you, we have to apply this concept, that is Germany ने नहीं दी मुझे Ferrari plus minus plus minus plus minus. That is for the depreciation. That is for the NFIA. and that is for the NIT. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate GNP FC. That we have to calculate. What is being given to us? NDP MP is given to us. Now let us calculate it. What we have to calculate? Write down over here. Computation of GNP FC, that we have to calculate. Okay, it is being given in crore. Write down rupees in crore. Okay, what is given to us? Write down what is given to us. That is NDP MP. Let us see what we have to do. Firstly, we have to draw the format. We have to convert N to G. If we have to convert N to G, what we have to do? We have to add depreciation, that we can see over here. So write down add depreciation. Then what we have to do? We have to convert D into N. If we have to convert D into N, then we can see what we have to do over here. Plus NIA. NFIA means FIFA minus theta. Okay. Another thing we have to do, we have to convert MP into FC. If we have to convert MP into FC, what we have to do? We have to deduct NIT. NIT means what? Indirect taxes, net indirect taxes. Here we have drawn the format. Now read the question and put the values. The first information which is being given to us over here is NDP at market price is 80,000. Write down 80,000 over here. Net factor income from abroad, that is minus 200. Minus 200, we have written it, minus 200. Okay, fine. Then depreciation, what we have to do? We have to consider the depreciation. Write down depreciation over here. What we have to do? We have to add depreciation. Okay, fine. Then another thing is subsidies. Okay, write down subsidies over here. What is the subsidies? 1770. Okay. Net indirect taxes, what is the amount? 10,600. Okay. Take the effect. Let us see what we get. 80,000 plus 4950 minus 200 minus 8830, and we will get 75920. I hope the point is clear. I repeat the same thing. Firstly, what we have to do is we have to draw the format. At the time of drawing the format, please consider the Germany ne nahi di mujhe Ferrari concept. After drawing the format, then we have to substitute the value. How we substitute the value? Read the questions and put the values. Clear? I hope the point is clear. Now I try to solve another question. Now let us solve another question. In this particular question, we have to find out what we have to find out. We have to find out domestic income. What is domestic income? It means that domestic income means NDP FC. We have to calculate. What is given to us? GNP MP. GNP MP, that is given to us. We have to apply the same thing. Germany ने नहीं दी मुझे Ferrari concept. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. One is for the depreciation. Second is for NFIA. Third one is for NIT. Okay. What we have to do? We have to compute GNP MP. Write down. Computation of GNP MP. Answer is being given in crore. Write down rupees in crore. Okay. Firstly, what we have to do? We have to draw the format. GNP MP. We have to convert G into N. It means minus depreciation. Okay. Then we have to convert N into D. To convert N into D, what we have to do? Minus NFIA. Okay. Then we have to convert MP into FC. It means 9 minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes means, it means indirect tax minus subsidies. Okay. Then we will get domestic income, NDP FC. We have drawn the format by using the concept of Germany ne nahi di mujhe Ferrari. Now read the question and put the values. GNP at MP, that is 58350. Okay. Then then indirect taxes is 2590. Then subsidy 1540. Okay. We will get 1050. Okay. Next is depreciation. Depreciation is 1625. What we have to do? We have to deduct. Net indirect taxes also we have to deduct. Then NFIA, that is minus 240. What we have to do? We have to deduct. We know minus plus minus minus plus. So here we have to add 240. Why we have to add 240? Because here net factor income from abroad is in negative. And what we have to do? We have to deduct NFIA. And we know that BODMAS concept, that is minus minus plus. So what we have to do? Why we are writing down 240 in positive? Because here NFIA is given in negative, and what we have to do? We have to deduct it. We know that minus minus plus, so I have to make it positive. Now let us see what is the answer. The answer that we get is 55915. I hope the point is clear. I have simply applied the Germany nahi di mujhe Ferrari concept and I have solved the question. Clear? Now let us solve another question. In this question, what we have to do? Again, we have to solve the same thing. We have to calculate the domestic income. Here I write down Germany ने नहीं दी मुझे Ferrari plus minus plus minus plus minus. That is for very good depreciation. That is for very good NFIA. It means FIFA minus FITA. That is net indirect taxes. Okay. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate domestic income. That is NDP FC. That I have to calculate. What is being given to us? GNP FC is given to us. Okay. Firstly, what we have to do? We have to draw the format. Write down what we have to calculate. Domestic income. Write down. Computation of domestic income. NDP FC. Firstly, draw the format. What is given to you? GNP FC. Okay. Firstly, what we have to do? We have to convert G into N. See the first block minus depreciation. Okay. And what we have to do? We have to convert N into D. Second block N into D. N to D minus NFIA. Then we don't have to do anything. Okay. Because factor cost is given and factor cost also we have to calculate. Okay. So write down over here NDP FC. I change the pen color so that we can easily solve it. Okay. Now read the question. Firstly, GNP at factor cost is given 2700. Okay. I write down over here. Then indirect taxes is 60. We don't have to consider indirect taxes because net indirect taxes I am not taking. Okay. Leave it. Factor income from abroad. What is NFIA? We know that it is FIFA minus FITA. Factor income from abroad is given, that is 150. Okay, fine. Factor income 2 is given, that is 180. I am getting 30 negative. What is the answer? 30 negative minus minus plus, we know it means plus 30. Then replacement of fixed asset. As we have discussed earlier also, the other name of the depreciation is consumption of fixed capital, replacement of fixed capital, or the capital loss. These are the terms that we can use to represent depreciation. So replacement of depreciation is no other than the depreciation itself. So I write down 50 over here. What we have to do? We have to deduct depreciation. Okay, fine. Now let us see what is the answer we are getting. The total that we get, the answer that we get is 2580. I hope the point is clear. I repeat the same thing over here. Why I am taking plus 30? Because here I am getting minus 30. and we know that minus minus plus, so I've written plus 30 over here. I hope the point is clear. Simple mathematical concept, nothing else. Now let us see, another type of the question. In this particular question, what we have to do is, I have to calculate indirect taxes. Okay, just remember from where you calculate the indirect taxes. We know that indirect taxes we can calculate from NIT. And what is NIT? NIT means indirect tax minus subsidy. It means that if I am having the information of NIT, from the NIT I can calculate net indirect taxes. Okay, write on the same thing. जर्मनी ने नहीं दी मुझे फरारी प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस depreciation NFIA minus NIT. Listen, this is the type 2 question. In this type of question, two aggregates should be given to you. Here we can say that this is the first aggregate which is being given to us, and this is the second aggregate which is being given to us. It means in this type of the question, two aggregate of the national income is given to us. One aggregate, let us see the aggregate which is being given. One is domestic income, this aggregate is given, and the second aggregate is GNP MP, that is given to us. Always remember, in the type 2 question, I have to select one aggregate in which I will do calculation only, and second aggregate I will use as a base. When I say second aggregate I will use as a base, what it means? It means on the basis of the or from the second aggregate I will decide what I have to calculate. Tell me one thing, if I have to find out indirect taxes can only be calculated from NIT. In which block? From which block we will calculate NIT? We can see over here, from the first block I can only calculate depreciation. From the second block I can calculate NFIA. From the third block I can calculate net indirect taxes. It means that in the third block I have to take into account the factor cost and the market price, and we know that the difference between the market value or the market price and the factor cost is net indirect taxes. It means that if somehow I know the market price and I know the factor cost, then the difference between the two will be the NIT. Why I am telling you this thing? I just tell you. I have selected NDP FC as a base. From this base I will decide what I have to calculate, and once I have decided what I have to calculate, then I use this GNP and MP, and from the GNP and MP I calculate the point, I calculate the aggregate which I have decided to calculate. Okay, I have selected NDP FC as the base. Clear? We know that I have to work on the third block. It means that from the third block I just find out that I have to know the value of market price. It means I will not change the value of N, I will not change the value of D. It means that I only have to change the value of FC. If somehow I know the value of MP, if I find out NDP MP, then from the difference of NDP MC and FC I can get NIT. Clear? I repeat the same thing again. From the base I find out what aggregate I have to calculate, and from that aggregate I can find out the NIT. From the base I have selected that I have to find out NDP MP. How? We know that NDP MP can only be calculated from the third block. From the third block I know that I have to work on MP and FC. Here the FC is given. It means that I have to find out MP. If I know MP, then the difference between the MP and the FC will be the NIT. Clear? Okay. So here we have decided and we have select. Now we know that what we have to calculate. We know that we have to calculate NDP MP. Now work on it. Okay. Draw the format. I write on over here NDP FC. What we have to calculate? I write on what I have to calculate. NDP MP. Okay. And what is being given to us? GNP MP. Okay, write on over here. Draw the formula, please. Computation of what I have to calculate? NDP MP. Okay, draw the format. What is given to you? GNP MP is given. Okay, use the German नहीं दी मुझे Ferrari concept. Firstly, what do I have to do? I have to convert G into N. It means minus depreciation. Okay, fine. Then what I have to do? I have to convert N into D. It means minus NFIA. Okay, NFIA means FIFA minus theta. Okay, after that MP is given and MP only we have to calculate. It means we don't have to do anything. We will get NDP MP. Now read the question and put the value. What is the value of GNP MP? Write on over here. 58350. Okay, subsidies I don't have to consider. Factor income from abroad 625. Depreciation 1625. Consumption means depreciation. I write on over here 1625. I have to deduct depreciation. Okay, net factor income to abroad, that is 865. Okay, here I am getting the answer negative, that is minus 240. What I have to do? I have to deduct it. I am getting the answer negative. It means minus minus plus. It means 240. I write on over here. Now just calculate. What I get is 56965. Okay, so I'm having the value of NDP MP. Okay, tell me one thing, NDP FC is greater or the NDP FC is greater? Value having the positive sign is always greater, so I write down NDP MP. From the NDP MP, what I have to do? I have to deduct NDP FC, and we know that the difference between FC and MP is depreciation. 55915. Okay, so take the difference 0501. So net indirect taxes I am getting over here is net indirect tax 1050. Okay, fine. Now we know that NIT is equal to indirect tax minus subsidy. NIT is 1050. Indirect tax I have to calculate. Subsidy, let us see what is being, it is given to you, that is 1540. Okay, it means indirect tax will be 1050 plus 1540. It means that 90, then 5 and 2. So what is the value of indirect taxes? The value of the indirect taxes will be 2590. I hope the point is clear. So here we have calculated the value that we have to find out, that is the value of NIT. I hope the point is clear to everyone. Here I have calculated the value of NIT. I hope this concept is clear. Okay, fine. Try to solve one more question so that the things becomes much more clear. Now let us see another question so that the things become much more clear. Here what I have to do is I have to calculate depreciation. Okay, depreciation comes under the first block, and we know that the difference between the gross and the net is depreciation. Let us see the aggregate which is being given to you. NDP MP, one aggregate, and GNP FC, another aggregate. I will use NDP MP as a base. From the base I find out what I have to calculate. As I told you, the difference between gross and the net is the depreciation. It means that I have to find out gross domestic product at market price. Why? Because the difference between gross and net is depreciation. It means if somehow I know the value of GDP MP, I can find out depreciation. Now draw the format. Write on over here, Germany ने नहीं दी मुझे Ferrari. That is for depreciation. Okay, that is for NFIA, that is for NIT. Okay, plus minus plus minus plus minus. Now draw the format. GNP FC. What I have to do? G is there and G, we already have to find out G and we already have the G. Okay, we will not do anything. I am having N and I have to find out D. It means minus NFIA. It means FIFA minus theta. Okay. Then market factor cost is given and I have to find out MP. It means what? It means minus, oh sorry, plus NIT. It means indirect tax minus subsidies. Okay. I will get GNP FC. Okay, read the information. Uh, Indirect tax 10,600. Okay, copy it. GNP FC. I change the color so that the confusion will not be there. So GNP is 75920. Okay. Then factor income to abroad, that is 700. Sorry, to abroad is 700. Factor income from abroad, that is 500. Very good. The difference is minus 200. I know that minus minus plus, it means 200. I will write down over here. Plus, then the subsidy is minus 1770. Okay. Now let us see. Okay. That is 8830. I have to pluses. I have to add it. Now let us see. Here I'll get, that is 84950. So here we have calculated GDP MP. I am having the information of NDP MP. Write down the value 84950. Write down the value 80,000. Answer is 4950. So here I have calculated the value of the depreciation. What is the value of the depreciation? 4950. I hope the point is clear. Now let us solve another question so that the things becomes more clear now. Here what I have to do? I have to calculate subsidies. Subsidies can be calculated from the third block. It means the difference between market price and the factor cost is equal to NIT, and from the NIT I can calculate subsidies. Okay. Okay. Let us see the aggregate that we have. Here I am having two aggregates. One is GDP FC and the other aggregate is NNP MP. Okay. I have selected GDP FC as the base. So from the base I can find out what I have to calculate. G same, D same, P same. I know that the difference between factor cost and the market price is NIT, and from the NIT I can calculate subsidies. So I have to find out GDP MP. Okay. I will use NNP MP for the calculation. Okay. Write on over here, जर्मनी ने नहीं दी मुझे फरारी प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस. Okay. Depreciation NFIA, then NIT. Okay. Write down NNP MP I use for the calculation. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to convert N into G. It means that I have to add depreciation. Okay, fine. Then we have to convert N into D. It means minus NFIA. It means difference between FIFA and theta. Okay. Then MP is given and MP only we have to find out. It means I will not do anything. Okay. So I will get the value of GDP MP. Now read the question and put the value. NNPMP is 55,500 crore. Okay. Depreciation is 2,500. I have to add. Okay. Then FITA is given, that is 600. Okay. And FIFA is 1,300. Okay, the 700 I'm getting, it means plus. What I have to do to minus, it means minus 700. Okay, take the effect, we will get 5,7,300. Okay, now I'm having the information of GDPMP. I know the value of GDPFC, so I can find out NIT. Okay, what is the value of NIT? 5,7,300 minus 5,550. Let us see. So value of NIT is 1,800. Okay, so I'm having the information of net indirect taxes. Okay, fine. Now what is net indirect taxes? 1,800. What is the value of indirect taxes? Let us see, it is given over here, 4,400. Subsidies I have to calculate. Okay, let us see. It means subsidies is equal to 4,400 minus 1,800. Let us see. So here we get the value of the subsidies, that is 2,600 crore. I hope the point is clear. That's all I have in this video. I hope the point is clear. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the video, please spread the video as much as you can so that more and more students should join the class and be benefited. During this pandemic time period, it's appeal, stay home, stay safe, and above all, don't forget to wear mask. Om Shanti.